if you have been to my Instagram account, you would have seen lots of comments, people asking me how do I maintain my feet. So in my today's video, I'm going to share feet whitening pedicure. And I don't know about you, but I have been very skeptical about going to the parlor, especially during this COVID time. So I love doing it from the comfort of my own house, and I'm sure you guys will love it too. So the first thing we need to do is remove all the nail paints and all the accessories. I love to wear a lot of anklets and toe rings, so let's remove that first. So I just finished my yoga class and my feet are a little dirty right now. So I think let's start removing and pampering feet. So yeah, we are done with our first step. We will be needing few items. First is lemons. Let me just get it. Next is soda and salt. After that, we need a shampoo and a loofah. Now we'll take half a bucket of lukewarm water and squeeze out our lemon into it. Then add salt and baking soda into it. Baking soda every time when you're doing, I don't recommend it to you using it every time because it's not very good for your skin. But yes, once in a while, if you feel that your feet are very dirty and having a lot of spots, you can use that. And after that, we are adding shampoo to it. You can take any shampoo, face wash, whatever you have, which is of no use to you. So yeah, that's it. And now we'll just, mix it well. And soak our feet into this water for minimum 10 minutes. Now 10 minutes are over and we are going to scrub our feet. I'm using this Pilgrim Volcano Ash Scrub. It's very, very good and I'll put the link here in the description below if you want to try it out. Definitely it's worth trying. Now scrub your feet nicely. Scrub is actually very good for your feet because it takes out all the dead skin from your feet. Now we'll again soak our feet for like 5 to 7 more minutes. Now we'll use this loofah to gently, rub my feet. Or you can use a hard brush, whatever you want. Right now my feet are not very dirty and they don't have very flaky skin around it. So I'm just going to use this gentle one. And if you feel, you can remove the cuticles from here, but right now I think my feet doesn't require that, so I'm not doing. I'm just gently massaging them with the loofah. I love to, rub this lemon also on the feet. It actually clears all the dust and dirt from your feet, from your nails. Lemon is really good whenever you have any, dirt or any tanning and anything related to your body. Just rub it. Now is the time to take out our feet and apply some pack. For our feet pack, we are taking, this is a basin, half a teaspoon of curd, little bit of honey, and we'll squeeze out the lemon juice. Now we'll just mix it well, and a very affordable feet pack is ready at home. Now we'll apply this pack on our feet. You can use your hand or a brush to do that. I'm just using my finger. Now just leave it for 5 to 7 minutes to dry it up completely. I just washed my feet and now I'm going to massage them. I use aloe vera gel, any cream, or I use one almond oil. So I just mix all these three and massage my feet nicely. So let's do it now. And now gently massage these points. When we massage these points, it relaxes your body and also gives you a sound sleep. So don't forget to press the pressure points in your feet. And I think I'm done now. Usually I avoid putting nail paint, whenever like I'm doing this, because why to unnecessarily put again chemicals on your nails. But tomorrow I have to do a shoot, so I will be applying a nail paint. Happy feet, and so am I. Seeing my feet, I find a lot of change in my feet. Aren't they looking beautiful? I feel yes. Now let me share a few quick tips which you guys can use in your daily life. First and the most important, wear your slippers. Yeah, don't move in the house without wearing slippers. Next, drink lot of water. Water is the key to every problem. Drink lot of water so that your feet are also hydrated. And very important point now, use mustard oil in your belly button. Your belly button is the powerhouse of your body. So it will hydrate not only your feet but will keep your whole body hydrated. Try it out. It really works like wonders for your body. Even if you have chapped lips or dry and flaky skin on any part of your body, just apply mustard oil in your belly button. And one more tip, whenever you are hitting your bed, if it is not possible, I know it is not practically possible to do all this daily. You can do this once in a week. But what you can do daily is, when you're going to your bed, just take a little bit of cream or any moisturizer, rub your feet nicely. And even if you don't take any cream, just with your fingertips, just press your feet, because it's very important that blood circulation should be there in your feet. Don't stand for very long time and keep taking breaks. Just sit down, relax yourself. And also, as I always say, keep your legs up the wall pose. And whenever you're hitting your bed, just lie down and keep your legs on the wall just for 5 minutes and you are done. I hope you guys enjoyed my today's video, and if you did, then please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Lots of love and wishes to you all. Take care.